Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this video, I want to show all the Pi pioneers an exchange where you can trade your Pi coin at a consensus value of 3.14 USD for 1 Pi. So please stay with me to the end of this video. And if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also like this video and click the notification button so you can get notification of more videos like this from me when I drop them. So with that said, let's go straight into the video. To trade on this exchange, you actually need to be doing it from your Pi browser. So once you open your Pi browser, all you need to do is you need to click on this home button that is at the top center of this page. So once you click the home button, it's going to load the URL bar. So you need to go to pidex.com. So I'll be leaving this URL in the description of this video. I'll also be displaying it to the front of the screen for everyone to see. So it's actually pi-dex.com. So once you load the URL, it's going to bring you here. So the next thing you need to do, you need to click on connect wallet. So right here, I need to connect my wallet. So I'll need to be inputting my 24-word passphrase. So please, I'll be blowing this site for security reasons. So I input my passphrase, and after that, I'll click on unlock with passphrase. So this brings me to the DEX. So you can see here that the live price of Pi on this DEX is actually 3.14159. So, and I have 430 Pi here on my available balance on my wallet. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to be selling 50 Pi for this video. So, and if I impute 50 Pi here, sell 50 Pi, you see I'm going to be receiving 157.08 USDT for 50 Pi. So this value is calculated with a value of 3.14159 USDT for 1 Pi. So I'll just go ahead and select the network I want to receive this USDT on. So I'll click on this USDT sign here. So I'll pick from the chains I want to receive my USDT on. So they have the BSC chain, the BP20. They have the Ethereum chain, the ERC20. And then they have the Tron chain, that's the TRC20. I always like using the BP20, the Binance Smart Chain. So I'll pick the BP20. Next thing, I'll need to input my BP20 address where I will be receiving the USDT. So I want to receive this USDT now on my Binance. So I'll go to my Binance and I'll get my USDT BP20 address and I'll paste it here. So here is my Binance. I'll go to Assets. And I'll click on Add Form because I want to get my USDT address. So I'll click Deposit. Then I'll pick USDT. So the chain I want to do is on the Binance Smart Chain, the BP20. So I'll pick BP20. So this is my wallet address. I'll just click on copy here and I'll copy it. So I'll go back to PiDex. And now I've got to my wallet address from Binance. I'll just input it here on PiDex. After inputting all this stuff, I'll just click on sell Pi coin. So this transaction has been submitted now. So it usually takes about 1 to 5 minutes for the transaction to complete. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to go to our Binance and check for the transaction. Okay, so here are now my Binance. So this transaction has completed. They've sent my deposit. So and this thing just took literally about, it wasn't even up to a minute for it to deposit. And right now my Binance, as you can see here now, I've got to my 157.08 USDT on my Binance here now. So and this transaction just took about a minute, not even up to a minute. So that is how easy it is to actually sell your Pi coin at the consensus value of 3.14. So the exchange is actually pi-dex.com. So I'll be leaving it in the description of the video. I'll also be displaying it in front of this video. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next video.